Have you ever heard the birds sing in the spring? Have you ever heard the rain slapping on the ground? Have you ever heard the wind whistling through the brush? Have you ever heard your mom whispering in your ear? Yes, you have, while millions of people have not.
As one of the most common medical conditions, hearing loss globally affects about 10% of the population to some degree, 124 million of which are in moderate to severe disability. In Hong Kong, there are 100,000 deaf people nowadays. Around 9,200 of them are profoundly deaf. As a matter of fact, the group of people are faced with difficulties beyond our imagination.
Conversations between people who are deaf and their hearing peers can often be limited due to their differences in communication methods and lack of knowledge on how to overcome this huge gap. In order to establish and maintain group friendships, both the hearing impaired and hearing individuals are required to take tremendous effort.
People who have hearing loss can often experience many difficulties as a result of communication barriers. These barriers also impede their ability to take advice, collaborate, and form bonding relationships with others. Therefore, it is often the case that they have limited social network and they lack community involvement.
In the workplace, the workers who are deaf are likely to face confusion and also misunderstanding, which put them at a professional and personal disadvantage. Additionally, deaf workers can be unintentionally left out of professional network, informal gatherings, and also casual conversations among their colleagues. This could affect their job performance and also the career development.
As a result of poor communication between the healthcare professional and the hearing-impaired patient, many patients report that they are not properly informed about their disease and prognosis. This lack of or poor communication could also lead to other issues such as misdiagnosis, poor assessments, mistreatment, and even possibly harm to patients.
As is known to all, sign language is a way for the deaf to express, to communicate, and to learn. But without hand-sight translator, they cannot do even some simplest daily tasks, like going out for dinner or seeing the doctor. Therefore, we want to encourage the public to learn basic sign to help the deaf people feel more welcomed and included.